Improving high ping on your Xbox Series X can enhance your gaming experience by reducing lag and ensuring smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to optimize your connection. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Run a speed test on your network to determine your current download and upload speeds. Ensure that your internet connection meets the recommended speeds for online gaming, which is typically at least 3 Mbps for download and 1 Mbps for upload. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your Xbox Series X directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Optimize your network settings. Access your router's settings and prioritize your Xbox Series X by enabling quality of service OS features. This ensures that your console receives the necessary bandwidth for gaming, reducing latency. Step 4. Close background applications. Make sure that other devices on your network are not using excessive bandwidth. Close any streaming services, downloads, or uploads on other devices while gaming to minimize interference. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your Xbox's DNS settings to a faster public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can improve connection times to game servers and reduce ping. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Xbox Series X's ping, leading to a better gaming experience. Remember to regularly check your connection and adjust settings as needed for optimal performance.